Kalispell Regional Hospital is trying to make healthcare more reachable for all in the community. And one of the ways that this is being provided for our community members is we've started a virtual healthcare system. This allows you to see your doctor or your provider virtually by either a smartphone or by using your computer. Now, for this tutorial, I want to familiarize you with what happens when you receive this email sent to you to join your provider. Now, I'm going to be sharing my screen in just a moment. We're going to go over how this is done if you click that email on a Mac computer. So let me share my screen. And here are the steps to follow on a Mac computer once you receive the email and click the link. If you do not download the application, which is fine, it'll take you to this website, guest.lifesize.com. It will ask if you want to allow it to access your camera and audio, and yes, you do want to allow that. It is video conferencing after all, so it needs to be able to access these so your doctor can hear and see you. After you allow it, you'll see a preview of what your camera looks like. Enter your name. You do not have to enter your email, and then click the box that you'll agree to the terms and services. Then join meeting. Once you join the meeting, if you are the first person there, you'll be presented with this screen where it says you are the only participant in the meeting. Down towards the bottom, if you needed to change your devices, there's a button with 3 dots. You would select that and then select settings. This is if the doctor says that they cannot hear you or you can't hear the doctor. You'll go through, select that. You can change your camera here and you can change your microphone. And really, that's all there is to it. Once the provider joins, you'll see them. And at the end of the visit, you can click the red phone at the bottom to disconnect.